Hi, this video is to guide you how to add floor and table in Ecoplus. First, we click the tab on the top. Then select floor and table. Click the add icon to add. First, we key in the floor code. Then key in floor name. Key in sequence number. After done, don't forget to click add. Next, we select table management. Click the add icon to add. We key in table name first. Then select the floor we created just now. Click Add to complete. Now the table we created is showing under this floor. We create one more table for takeaway order type. After done this part, we can go back to main page to see the result. Go to the floor we added just now. Click the hand icon on top to adjust the table location. After adjust, click the icon on top to save. You can see the dine-in table is green, takeaway table is blue. Thanks for watching.